Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nana AC TV and today's menu Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Today is yellow yam. Emphasis on yellow yam. You will enjoy it. So I went to the store and guess what I saw? I picked up some yellow yams. It aids in digestion. It's high fiber content. It has so much fiber. It regulates your blood pressure as well and supports your heart function. It's very easy to make it crispy and crunchy. Let's go ahead and fry this. So we're going to peel and slice it, thin slicing, right? We want to fry it and get it crispy. By the way, this is Jamaican yellow yam. This is the trick. We're going to soak it in water and salt. Fried in vegetable oil. Because this yam provides complex carbohydrates, it gives you some energy, excellent source of energy. I'm telling you, once you have this for your breakfast, you have the whole day just so energetic. This is what I call my immune booster. It's so high in vitamin C. Very healthy. And there you are. You see how crispy it is? Simple, easy, and delicious. Just pair it with your stew, your hot pepper, your shito. You don't have to do too much with this type of yam. Delicious. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Press the like button and share. Look at that crispy yam. Try this and thank me later, okay? You will enjoy this yellow yam, Jamaican yellow yam. Did you hear that? Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye. Check out my short videos that I post every day. Adios. Bye.